What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a system of direct sales. In simpler terms, it is a business that is built on intermediary services. The dropshipper, or middleman, sells the supplier's goods, but does not keep them for himself. The supplier can be a manufacturer or wholesaler. The dropshipper's profits are formed from a trade markup or an agency discount. In the first case, the dropshipper tips from 10 to 100% on the supplier's price. In the second, he sells goods at the supplier's prices and receives a reward of 1 to 20%. Pricing depends on the terms of the supplier. Some Russian manufacturers and wholesale and retail companies oblige the dropshipper to sell at their retail prices. If the dropshipper sells imported goods, he independently determines the size of the markup. How to run an effective advertisement in this scheme of cooperation. Dropshipper does not need to invest in the goods, to rent a warehouse, to build a logistics system, to keep a staff of employees. Dropshippers often do without an office and work from their home computer. Some open a distribution point, but this is more of an additional income than a necessary condition of the business. At first glance, dropshipping looks like a simple and very profitable business. However, some novice dropshippers encounter unexpected problems. The US dropshipping market is sites whose annual turnover exceeds the budget of some countries. As of today, the number of entrepreneurs in the former Soviet Union who drop ship goods has not reached the 10,000 mark. It means that at the moment the niche is empty. This should be a good reason for you to start to engage in internet marketing on this model. Especially since virtually no capital investment is required. Before you start working through the US on dropshipping, you need to understand the peculiarities of the market and the consumer, which are inherent in this country. Of all the services, which sell their products through dropshippers, the undoubted leader, both in terms of sales and functionality of the service, is Amazon. This resource has a monthly traffic of 200,000 visitors. eBay and Walmart, also being the largest dropshipping companies, are 2 times behind by the number of visitors. Amazon provides an opportunity to trade both with the presence of TM, private label mode, and without it, in dropshipping mode. Further, the mode of trade through own TM will not be considered. Since this is the prerogative of large companies, which are able to pay for the production of a batch of goods and undergo appropriate quality control. Even a citizen of the former CIS countries, who has an average income, is able to carry out trade in dropshipping mode. That is why we will pay maximum attention to this mode. Dropshipping in the USA, it is really an opportunity to make money from the first days of sales, with a minimum of investment. But we are talking only about the financial investment. The essence of dropshipping is that you have to make the most profitable offer to the potential buyer. This means that you have to relentlessly check the prices on the manufacturer's websites, online stores and, of course, on the flagship sites. The main part of the job is finding the best deals from suppliers or distribution companies. But these efforts are rewarded because a better product price can be gambled on, securing a better commercial offer and a higher percentage of the deal.